Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Captain America lifted Thor's hammer. Many wonder about the enchantment placed upon Mjolnir, Thor's legendary weapon. It's not about physical strength, but rather a profound quality of character. Captain America's ability to wield it stems from his inherent worthiness, a trait few possess. He embodies courage, sacrifice, and an unwavering moral compass, making him one of the few who could ever lift the mighty hammer. Let's dive deeper into what makes him so special. The concept of worthiness, as applied to Mjolnir, goes far beyond mere physical prowess. It's an enchantment placed by Odin himself, designed to test the very essence of a being. This means the hammer assesses one's moral compass, their intentions, and their willingness to sacrifice for the greater good. Captain America consistently demonstrates these qualities, proving his pure heart and unwavering commitment to justice. He never seeks personal gain, always putting others first, which is a core aspect of true worthiness. Captain America's worthiness wasn't a sudden revelation. It was a consistent display throughout his journey. We first saw a hint of it when he managed to budge Mjolnir slightly during a light-hearted gathering, surprising everyone. Later, in a critical battle, he fully lifted and wielded the hammer with incredible power, turning the tide of the fight. These moments underscore his unwavering dedication to protecting others, even at great personal cost. His actions speak volumes about his character, solidifying his place among the truly worthy. In conclusion, Captain America's ability to lift Thor's hammer is a powerful symbol of his extraordinary character. It's a testament to his unwavering moral compass, his selfless courage, and his pure heart. Mjolnir doesn't just grant power, it recognizes and amplifies the inherent heroism within an individual. Captain America embodies the very best of humanity, proving that true strength comes from within. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.